Hello and welcome to this Ventuz 6 designer tutorial video. In this video we will talk about the changes and improvements of the Ventuz property editor in V6. This video is for everyone who watched our previous series for the Ventuz 5 designer and our Ventuz 6 What's New videos. First, the property groups are reworked for better overviewability and handling. And now you can multi-select properties and edit them. Also, properties will be migrated when type is switching. A good example for this is the material node, which transfers the color from Guru to Fong. For a better workflow, we added more options for extracting properties to nodes from existing property groups. This is a really simple time saver and comfortable to use. Another comfortable improvement is the transfer from custom models into the property editor. So now you can add custom models by clicking on the parameters icon. For example, you will find these options in Expression, Live Video or DMX nodes. Also, we added the double type to the parameters. The last cool new feature of the property editor is the floating point animation, which allows to create generic animations. For more information, click on the video we created previously. Hopefully this video will improve your workflows, and if you want to know more about the Ventuz 6 designer, changes and improvements, you can visit our user menu website and the release notes on ventuz.com. Also, you can watch our longer videos about the features on our YouTube channel, or press F1 while hovering over nodes in V6. Have a nice day, bye!